Imagine being able to store your crypto safely offline from malware, phishing attacks, or hackers, while still having instant access when you need it. Always make sure, folks, to do your own research before investing or using any cryptocurrency projects that we talk about on this channel, because we are not financial advisors. Let's get into it. Okay, folks, now if you want to get your hands on one of these bad boys, this Ellipal Wallet, which I just reckon is absolutely awesome. It's the world's first air-gapped cold wallet, and they're not brand new. They've been around, established for quite some time. I believe this is a fantastic cold storage option. Coming into this altcoin season, you're going to be faced with a lot of people trying to scam you, fish you, get your money. And even if you think you're smart people can still sometimes just make silly mistakes. I've done it. Okay, fortunately, I haven't lost a lot of money, but I have lost a little bit of money by doing silly things. And trust me, you're going to do it too at some point. But it's all about mitigating that risk as much as possible. And grabbing an Ellipal wallet is the way to do that, folks. Forbes Advisor, look at this, best of 2024. Guys, let that sink in. Best crypto wallets of 2024 from Forbes Advisor. Okay, that is something. Okay, that is definitely something there. If we just have a quick look at the X account as well, 143.8Ks. They've been doing this from June 2018. Okay, these guys are not joking around. Okay, if you want to grab one, okay, because there's a bit of a sale going on here at the moment, but the link and everything will be at the top of the description of this video and in the pinned comments. Okay, so they got 2,752 days of security. They got 12 billion USD of assets under management. It's easy, okay? Easy to use. Clear signing, all right? Want to get your YouTube video to the top of the YouTube search engine? Get YTRanker.net to start ranking your YouTube videos at the very top of the YouTube search algorithm. First, we're going to go over and open an incognito here on Google Chrome to ensure there is no previous search bias. We're going to type in youtube.com, and before we do the search, we need to click on the settings, the three dots here. Make sure the language is in English and that the location is set to the United States. Once United States has been selected, we're going to go into the search engine and go for our first search and type in BotSol. As we can see right there, right at the top, this video right here by BizCheck is actually a video that YTRanker was able to get to the top of the search engine. Right there, boom, there it is. Now let's go in and type in another one, Leads Sniper, and have a look, and bang, again, top digital products, this video here, and also again, BizCheck, BotSol versus Lead Sniper right at the top of the search. So, what are you waiting for? Get YTRanker.net to start ranking your YouTube videos at the very top of the YouTube search algorithm. Back to the video. So they're absolutely rocking, guys. They've got over 1 million users. You can do 10,000 plus tokens, okay, and 7 years secure. That's really what you want, folks, okay? 7 years secure, okay? They are different to Ledger because of that air-gapped technology. In my opinion, it is a bit safer than the Ledger, and this is how it looks now, okay? Doesn't have like an annoying USB cord, okay? It works on like a micro SD and charging, okay? You've got the big interface just here, so it's not like the Ledger where you kind of like barely see it. That's just so annoying, folks. You want to be able to see what you're doing, okay? And my eyesight's 20/20, okay? And I sometimes really struggle with my own Ledger that I got in the beginning. And they got this wicked, awesome little card here, okay? So it's the first air-gapped crypto card wallet. So it's essentially the easiest way to transact with stablecoins, Bitcoin, and as we know, manage those 10,000 plus assets. And just to give you a very simplified breakdown of how to use it, you create your account. It's very easy. Your name, your password, you back up your seed phrase, of course. That's for that extra security. Write it down on paper, a few copies, store it away. Maybe give one copy to your mum. I don't know. Okay. And hit away, guys. Complete. That easy. You're ready to start. And guys, again, you've got that one-stop asset management. So, of course, you can swap, buy, sell. You can even do staking, all right, as well as get into those decentralized applications all within the app on your smartphone. So folks, based on this, it really does go without being said that it keeps your private keys fully offline, okay? Protected from online attack. It's designed for that maximum security. All right, they've got a built-in QR code scanning system as well for easy transactions. I think that's absolutely fantastic, that QR feature. And it's got anti-tamper and self-destructive mechanisms for that added safety as well. So it's also important to know, folks, like, why are you going to use this? Like, why not choose a ledger? Why are people using Ellipal? Why have they been using it for years? It's for peace of mind, guys. You knowing your funds are safe, even though your phone or computer, if it's hacked, okay, your funds are still going to be safe, all right? MetaMask wallets alone are just not secure enough, okay? You need to get one of these things. It's simple, it's mobile friendly, and the app's so easy for managing your assets anytime. It's super, super easy as well. And of course, guys, it's trusted by long-term holders and serious crypto investors. So guys, if you are seriously serious about protecting your crypto, which you should be, otherwise I don't know why you're doing this, like, you always got to start with security. When I talk to people about how to start with crypto or anything like this, you got to start with your security. So grabbing a wallet like this Ellipal wallet gives you that military grade security with the convenience of the mobile app, okay? You can order yours now and keep your digital assets 100% safe. Just don't go leaving your seed phrase on the table or something of a cafe, okay? That goes with that being said. Okay, like this video if you enjoyed, subscribe, turn notifications on, and remember, it's easy to use. If you want to get signed up, it'll be at the top of the description and in the pinned comments. Take care, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.